This is my G&L guitar. Let's see here. I'm going to get this bag off of here. Nice. Nice top. Really nice top. Got some weight behind it. Yeah, that's a nice looking guitar. There's the back. Very nice, very nice. Got a nice feeling neck. No sharp frets. Good, 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 good. Switches all feel right. Well, looks like a nice guitar. Alright, so yeah, I just plugged it in and I hit just a couple notes, and wow, pretty impressive. But here we go. This is going to be my back pickup, or my bridge pickup. The mixture of two. And the neck pickup. This is all straight right into the amp. There's nothing added to it. We're going to go to a blues channel on my amp, which is a regular gain like you'd find on a Marshall. That was the neck pickup. The mixture, here's the bridge. Now we're on a high gain setting, and we'll start up here on the neck pickup. Now we're going to go to a crunch channel. That's what they call it. Yeah, I'm pretty damn impressed. More impressed than what I thought I was going to be. It's heavy. It's a 10-pound guitar. It's not a light guitar. Um, the the noise I'm getting in the background from the single coils are very quiet, so it's got good caps in it. Got the plastic still on it, and the sticker still on it. Those will come off soon enough. Yeah, 2 thumbs up. That was a good buy. This looks like this is going to be the axe I'll use quite a bit of.